Okay guys, I found a snowy owl. Matt found one too, but he's down the beach. So I'm gonna get out, set up my tripod, and show you guys some video. Okay, so I just want to say, this is not normal. It's not normal to arrive at a location. Sorry, I was just walking really far with this camera and it's heavy. And to see something that quick. We knew where to look and what to look for. But honestly, hold on, sorry guys. But honestly, like that was still pretty lucky. So within a minute of being here, we found the first one. Within 5 minutes, I found the second one. And then the footage on the beach was not for long, but it was long enough because it's so cool. Even seeing something like that for just a little bit, Luna girl, is amazing. When you're photographing wildlife, and especially birding, is that people will want to get too close, and it might not even be intentional. They might just not understand how to behave around wildlife and kind of what the threshold is for that particular species. So if you're curious about that, we are going to be doing a informative short video kind of with tips and tricks on how to view wildlife in a way that keeps them around longer and doesn't affect their behavioral patterns. In this instance, I do believe that the owl was flushed because the gentleman was trying to get too close and was moving too direct towards the owl. And right when the gentleman stopped and faced the owl took off. So that's kind of your key, your obvious signs, I should say, that the owl was being pushed unnaturally. So check back in later on and check out the video that we make about tips on how to behave around wildlife, specifically owls. We'll do some other animals as well. Because it is birding season though, our first release will be owls. I'm gonna meet up here with Matt. He's showing some folks his photos, which happens a lot here. But if we find anything at sunset, so most likely that was probably it for the night. I think we're probably gonna come back tomorrow. So if we find anything else, I'll check back in, but we'll show you guys photos and videos. Okay, bye guys. Successful night. Oh yeah, no Steller's eagle today. So we came down here instead and it was well worth it, I think. All right, bye guys. Excuse the close up.